A very good morning to all my dear students. Congratulations to all of you for making it to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, Delhi. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all today to the new session. We are delighted that you have chosen to spend this significant next few years with us at AUD. We are known as AUD in the shorter form. I can assure you that the life at AUD will be highly enriching and full of exciting experiences for you. We draw our inspiration from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's vision of bridging quality and social justice with excellence. The emphasis at AUD is on the highly interdisciplinary approach to teaching, learning, and research. There are 13 schools of studies, 12 centers, with 63 programs of studies which we offered at this university. Each course transacted has cutting-edge methodology of learning and highly interactive in nature. Our students move to the field for their field work, and that is part of every curriculum transaction. We at the university strive to transform our students into responsible global citizens. Today's students think that they are the sole proprietor of their success. I think I need to reiterate to all of them that your success has been the sacrifice of so many people. Your mother, your father, your siblings, your teachers, your state. AUD is a state university, and the government of NCT of Delhi funds it so liberally that we are here. All of you must have an attitude of gratitude towards all of them who shared your life, who contributed to your life. The society and education system is only inspiring to become more competitive and selfish. Are we here in the higher education only to learn how to compete? No. We are here to share, to collaborate with a lot of humility, with the honesty of purpose, with commitment to our job, high level of integrity, and with great virtues which are completely missing in the present generation. All the time, we are worried about the salary packages and great jobs. But after receiving the high packages and great jobs, are we really happy? सबको गिला है कि हमको कम मिला है, पर इतना तो सोचो कि आप जितना कितनों को मिला है. We are finally looking for success and happiness in life, which is only thinking about our own selves all the time. But the success and happiness of life lies only in thinking about giving back to society, giving back to your parents, giving back to the institution you studied from, and giving back to your nation. While you stay with us at AUD, your efforts should be towards acquiring certain skills and abilities. The skills will equip you to decide how to say things in life. The knowledge which you acquire will decide what you want to say in life. Your attitude will decide how much to say in life. And wisdom, which is the final takeaway from the education system, will help you to decide whether to say something or not to say something. In fact, the 21st century skills which we have been emphasizing so much in today's society, the A to Z of these skills are only life skills. All of you, while you stay here, must take away from your system, from your teachers, from your curriculum, the mindfulness of living life. You must be very emotionally sensitive, socially responsible towards your society, have positive attitude towards things, because negativity only kills your own self. Positivity brings lot of happiness to you and also to others who are connected to you. Attitude to contribute to everyone, to every sphere where you are. We all know that we are finally going to be the global citizens. World is squeezing. We are becoming the global village. And while we become the part of the global village, we need to have the citizenship behavior. When I say citizenship behavior, it is highly responsible behavior. Rights are important, but duties are the intertwined into the right and duty frame. Learn to have an attitude of gratitude. Metacognition, think about your thinking. Become institution in yourself. Do not copy others. Understand the meaning of life and the purpose of life by reading, by inquiring, by finding from the sources, and become institution in your own self. We do not want to have impressive personalities. We must have impressive characters. I think spirituality is far more important today than it has been in the past. So let's have the spiritual bent of mind while we communicate to people around us. At AUD, we believe in developing a personalized approach to students and have inbuilt institutional mechanisms for mentoring and nurturing our students. Particularly in the domains of language proficiency, we do understand and appreciate that some of our students come from the Hindi medium background. They also come from their mother tongue background. So we provide special emphasis on learning English here. CELI is a center which looks after the needs of such students here. Study skills and analytical methods to assure the academic success and excelling in your studies is what we are finally looking at. The university offers full and partial fee waiver to students who are in need of financial support given their economic background. The university has created a student welfare fund with the objective of giving financial assistance for meeting the welfare needs of the students. This includes the study material, cost of the study material, photocopy, accommodation which the students may hire, their travel allowances, etc. We cover almost everything in this. During the COVID-19 pandemic, which was highly unprecedented time for us, university went in for online teaching learning, and we have extended facility of internet package reimbursement to the needy students belonging to economically weaker section. These students were also given electronic tablets in order to facilitate their online teaching and learning. And in order to encourage experience-based pedagogy in learning here at AUD, 25% of fee collected is available to students for undertaking activities under Learning Enhancement Scheme. We have a full-fledged student support services division which looks after the student welfare, and it works towards all these activities and ensures that students get the benefit of it. AUD provides support for students' placements in jobs and internships. For this, a full-fledged training and placement office functions round the clock for attracting employers, providing job opportunity to our students, and also internship to them. AUD also encourages all its students to become job creators and job providers and not only the job seekers. So in order to prepare them to become entrepreneurs, AUD had launched its own center. The center is known as ACIIE. ACIIE is the AUD Center for Incubation and Innovation and Entrepreneurship, where we encourage our students to bring in their idea on business, and every business idea and innovative idea is tested here. We provide financial and technical support to startup ideas and business plans in this center. EHSAS is the psychotherapy clinic at AUD, which is an initiative of our center. We have about 12 centers in the university. Center of Psychotherapy and Clinical Research, which is a part of School of Human Studies. So the center provides qualitative mental health services to those facing psychological distress such as anxiety, depression, inability to concentrate, mood swings. Even some of the students have reported suicidal thoughts. So, and panic attacks. We cater to these students, and while noticing that they are unable to cope up in their real life, we offer the psychotherapeutic intervention and counseling at Psychotherapy and Counseling, which is provided at ESAS. आप लोगों के लिए, क्योंकि आपकी जनरेशन बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्क टेकिंग है, यू बिलीव इन एडवेंचर, तो आपके लिए एक कविता याद आती है जो मेरी बड़ी फेवरेट कविता है, आपको पसंद आएगी। वो खुद ही तय करते हैं मंजिल आसमानों की, परिंदों को तालीम नहीं देता कोई उड़ानों की, रखते हैं जो हौसला आसमान छूने का, उनको परवाह नहीं कभी गिर जाने की। COVID-19 pandemic is here, so it is my responsibility to just share with you that your prevention is your cure. Wear mask, wash hands, and practice social distancing. God bless. Welcome to AUD once again. Thank you.